Welcome to the German WolfPack vlogs, number 51 into the series. I am the German Wolf. He's the alpha beast. What is going on with the WolfPack? And I am not John Cena. Anyways, dudes, what is going on? Not much is going on. The sun is out. I am relaxing. I'm gonna watch SmackDown Live tonight. I was supposed to go off on a walk today, but I never did. Anyways, what I like to talk about is like different subjects. Like for right now, I changed my mind of going live each week because I was going to do something really cool for you guys about me going live, but I changed my mind and I am not doing that now because most of these YouTubers who I mentioned, Facebook, his brother Brandon, Jesse Ridgway, Jake Duffner, Mikey Manfrey, and Adamir, they would not be coming into the live vlog and saying hello to me. That's why I am going to discontinue the live vlogs and my Monday night vlogs going live. I'm not going to do that anymore because nobody would not even come into my vlogs anyway. If I do go live, and also, that's what I'm talking about because most of you like my videos. What I'm talking about is the other YouTubers out there who make the videos. Like I said, Mikey Manfrey, Jake Duffner, and their friend Adam, and their friend, I can't even say his name right, and Adamir. I don't know if they watch my stuff. That's the main reason, is I want famous YouTubers like those guys to watch my stuff, but they don't. And I want them to. I watched their video about a 3-class challenge going to what's that place called? Clinton Road. I watched that stuff. The Ouija board challenges they do, but they don't watch mine. And that's rude. And even Jesse Rid and McJuggernuggets, Jesse Ridgway, I don't know if he watches my stuff or not. And Brian Awadis, aka Freeze Rug, I don't know if he watches my stuff. I just want I want to be famous on YouTube for once, so I can be the king. Like some people have 5 million subscribers, 4 million. Me, I'm gonna go sky high, and that will be the German Wolf wants to go over 20 billion subscribers. That's what I want because that's my dream. So I can be your Lord and Savior of the WolfPack and bow down to the Master. me. Because I am the German wolf. And also, I want to talk about this. I'm never mad at the WolfPack. But the point is, and I said this a million times, most of you are, most of you guys and females are video gamers who have a PS4, Xbox One. The point I'm making is this. If I'm talking about a video game, why would you not want to watch that? 2, if I'm talking about Black Sabbath, if I'm talking about Black Sabbath, right? Which I said, most of you are from England, like Marina Joyce, who is from England. And Black Sabbath is from England. I'm trying to talk about them. But, which I said, most of you do not care about what I talk about. Most of you don't care about movies. If I want to talk about a movie like Angels and Demons, Inferno, or the Da Vinci Code, and you don't care about it, and I want to talk about it. If I'm talking about my hockey stuff, the only people who will only watch that would be Adam Stewart and Daniel Cooney. All the top 2 people who watch those videos, because they help me out. Like yesterday, for example, we signed J.C. Capagna, because I didn't know at the time that we signed him. So Daniel Cooney says to me, breaking news, J.C. Capagna signed with the Thunder, and then I had to go to the Thunder website, and I saw the confirmation. Then I did the video on what he did, how many points he got. That's what I want to talk about. Look at Monday night, for example. Look at Monday night, for example. I talk about wrestling. Monday Night Raw. Tonight, SmackDown Live. Okay? If I'm talking about that, I don't mind if you guys go off topic. That's okay. But if I'm talking about something really important, like what I just said, you have to change the subject. To me, that hurts my feelings a little bit. Think about it. There's another YouTuber, I forgot his name. Master T? Oh, I can't remember his name. But, he calls everyone savages. And he tells you about wrestling news and predictions and video game news about WWE 2K18. But the point is, everyone goes to his channel. Everyone goes to Mick Juggernaut's videos. I'm not mad at what you guys do. What I'm saying is, I want to get more WolfPack, some more WolfPack subscribers. I want to get over 5.k views. But I'm not mad and I'm not angry at you guys. If you want to subscribe, you can. I'm not forcing you to do that. What I'm saying is, have more time on my channel instead of somebody else's channel. Like, everyone goes to McJuggernuggets videos, Jesse, Ridgway. He's cool, yes, but he's going downhill. I mean, I don't want to say that. That's what I'm saying. I mean, if I want to make it big on YouTube, making you guys to like my videos, one thing I don't understand, every time which I said, if I'm talking about a video game, you have to unsubscribe. Hold on. When I do a video about if I do a video on my wrestling game, or my hockey game, or my other games, you have to unsubscribe to it. Which I said, most of you are video gamers. What's the deal? If I'm talking about something about entertainment-wise, you wait 2 weeks, 5 weeks, or something like that. You will hit you will hit the subscribe button to my channel. Then you wait for about 4 hours later, and you unsubscribe. Why do you? I'm not mad, but I'm saying this. Why do you always have to unsubscribe if you like my videos? It does not make sense to me. That's what I'm saying. Nobody understands. How about this? I'll make you guys a deal. How about this? I will make you a deal. If I'm talking about a video game, Black Sabbath, the Beach Boys, or anything else, hit that subscribe button and don't hit it again. Because if you hit it again, you will unsubscribe. I don't want that. I want you guys to stay active. Which I said, 2 people are always active. Dana Cooney and Adam Stewart. Because those guys are loyal to my channel. Most of you are not loyal to the Wolf. Alright, alright, this guy, the Alpha Beast, he's ready. And he's on the hunt for new WolfPack members of the German WolfPack. Right, Alpha Beast? Yes. Favorite, like, and share, and subscribe to the German Wolf. And if you unsubscribe, the Alpha Beast will come and get you. Beware of the Alpha Beast. 666. That was not me, it was this guy talking. We need to wolf out. Ow! You do not have to be afraid of the wolf and the Alpha Beast. Peace.